Welcome to DrinkTec 2025.
Live at DrinkTec. Welcome to DrinkTec. We're here at Munich, Germany at DrinkTec 2025.
Husky Technologies, an industry-leading injection molding machine and systems company, came to Virtual Wild because they needed a team to help them develop immersive experiences for the DrinkTec 2025 trade show that were as innovative, impressive, and memorable as their products.
This time at DrinkTec, we wanted to show our customer a different side of Husky. We want them to have an immersive experience in our booth and discover all our breakthrough innovations.
And we delivered. With over 12 million LED pixels, 20 digital canvases, 10 touchscreens, 10 computers, 15 chapters of storytelling content, and 4 unique interactive experience areas.
A lot of the interactive content that we've created in this experience speaks to the quality and speaks to the support and the technology that goes behind all of Husky's products.
It was more than collaborative. I liked very much how we structured all the process. Took it step by step. I think it was a huge process, and that to the first glance you say what's going to happen next because it's too big. It overwhelmed me, but I think we took it step by step, and it was perfect.
With an intimidating scope of work to be done, Virtual Wild knows how to break it down step by step. Starting with quick collaborative live sketches in Miro to spark the iterative building of elements and ideas, to more visual concept and look development, storyboards that communicate every part of an experience, and then polished art, videos, and software that are presented in easy ways to allow feedback, approval, and conversation with our clients and also our team. Digital twins allowed us to enter the space in virtual reality to continue to test and preview ideas before they were even built, saving time and money. Our vetted tools allow us to make collaboration and communication the baseline, and any step in the process can be easily seen and accessed in our Miro hub. For Husky's DrinkTec booth, we worked together through that process to develop a theme that would be used throughout our interactive experience and support the Husky team's print and advertising work. So the Phoenix rose up, representing their plastic rPET pellets, the building block that is in use in their injection molding machines. That theme was incorporated into 4 unique experiences within the Husky booth, each one a stop on a tour Husky could lead prospective clients through, drawing them deeper into the Husky story and technology, each one with their own challenges and achievements, starting with the rPET Experience Center. Across the trade show floor, guests are greeted by a 360-degree LED banner circling the Experience Center, adorned with custom motion graphics and our animated mascot, hinting at the magic that awaits them inside.
We are standing in the rPET Experience Center. This is an immersive theater with 6 different displays, allowing a lot of throughput, a lot of people to engage and have individual meetings.
We wanted to give our guests a wow factor when they walked in. And not just that, we wanted an interactive and unique element. So we have here special bottles that activate the interactive experience.
This is full of the rPET, which is the little plastic beads that go in to make all of their bottles. We've connected some tangible pucks to the bottom of this, and so this now becomes the way that customers can start the experience.
You come over to a station, place it onto the touchscreen, and it triggers the whole experience to come alive.
And that bottle continues to be a unique, flexible controller in the experience, alongside our other user-friendly UI, controlling 6 chapters of custom design content going over sustainability, recycling legislation, and comparing the rPET products.
What I love is Husky's product is the key to start this experience.
We're really glad that we were able to do such a creative and interactive space here. It does deliver that wow factor.
And then at the click of a button, we can turn it into a whole immersive tour. All of these screens become one big screen, and they can lead a guest experience up to 20 different people.
Theaters like this really make a big impact for visitors coming to the booth because other types of technologies, let's say VR and other immersive experiences, really don't lend themselves towards hygiene and fast throughput.
This makes people remember Husky.
And that's just the beginning of the customer journey. Next is the tooling augmented reality experience. Transparent touchscreen displays that overlay custom digital content over Husky's physical tooling display.
One of the Husky staff is actually explaining the inside and the mechanisms and everything that goes inside of these big machines. And he's able to do that, he said, very successfully now that they have this digital content. They never could explain everything that happens around the mold or goes through the mold. So now we have these transparent screens they can click on, and it acts like augmented reality. It really overlays the physical mold with the digital content.
Something we've really never been able to do before is demonstrate the value of Husky tooling and how it's different in every single way. We have an innovative culture here at Husky, and we have years of experience. This is the first time we've been able to demonstrate that in a visual way.
It's surrounded by lights and sound that really bring the entire experience together. We have over 400 individual LED pixels on the lighting that all are timed in sync with the animated content. This type of presentation could work for up to 50 different people. The screens are really big. He's able to have a microphone and everybody can really see all of the content. But the best is when you can stand right in front of the transparent screen and it perfectly overlays the mold and you get a really big wow factor.
Virtual Wild has really brought our vision of how we demonstrate that to life.
Once we learn about tooling, the journey continues to the machine containing that tooling, the HyPET experience.
This machine is the biggest attraction in the booth, and they have a whole lot of stories to tell about it, a lot of capabilities, impressive new specs that it's able to offer customers. So we wanted to display all of that in a beautiful way that would catch people from 200 feet. John here with Husky is using a touchscreen to click and select different chapters that then bring up animated content onto this huge LED wall. We designed this whole animation with the Phoenix theme and really short, really punchy text on screen that allow John over here to present and pause and answer questions, and it explains the story of this HyPET-6 machine.
The customer journey concludes with how Husky maintains and services customers the Advantage+Elite experience. A large LED canvas with a 55-inch user-friendly touchscreen. Our system allowed Husky staff to interactively walk through and present data, images, and videos, weaving together an engaging and immersive story that demonstrates how Husky is more than just a machine. They're a complete package for their customers.
The Virtual Wild demo system has been very effective in conveying what is a relatively complex story to our customers in a way that they can understand it, see the value, and we have lots of opportunities now to follow up with customers.
58,000 visitors attended DrinkTec, and the cutting-edge, engaging, and unique journey through Husky's booth made them stand out from the competition. 4 unique experiences told a single story that transformed perceptions of Husky to that of an innovation and technology brand, and confirmed to investors and customers that the Husky difference is a smart investment. Our practical and easy-to-use software and systems also celebrate the Husky team, supporting them with innovative tools that help them to achieve their individual goals, and cultivates an even bigger sense of pride in the cutting-edge work they're doing at Husky. And our software and systems are sustainable and flexible, designed to be reused and resized for other canvases and shows, and updatable for new content scenarios and needs, allowing your investment to go further and be supported by a team who has your back.
Thanks to the Virtual Wild, they are creative geniuses that really helped bring our vision to life.
The experience has been fantastic. Great group of people, regular communication, and the final product is just amazing.
Thank you for all your creativity and for your friendship, because I think in time we developed a friendship, and for your sense of humor and for all the help.
It's why you do it, for people like you, to make a statement, help you stand out, make you look good, and help you with such a big project. That's why we do it.
And that's why we did it. After DrinkTec, Husky's web traffic had an uptick, new customer connections were formed, contracts were signed, promotions were had, and Husky rose just like their phoenix.